So I'm at a place called Sierra Point, which is an unmaintained trail. And we're looking at Vernal and Nevada Falls with Liberty Cap to the left of them. And then you get from this Sierra Point place, you have a nice panoramic view. Nice guardrail. This way, I guess that's Glacier Point area over there, and then over there is Yosemite Falls. This was quite a scramble to get up here. It's an unmaintained trail, like I said. It's pretty steep anyway, and after a bunch of rock falls a long time ago, they decided to forget about it. But so here's the railing from when it was an actual trail. It's still here. And yeah, a lot of scrambling. Even when you get on the trail, it's pretty steep. But nice view. I've been here many times, but a different perspective of a familiar sight. So down below is the hiking trail, the John Muir Trail, and I have to hike back down to that path somehow. Hope I can find it, because it was tough coming up here. But it's going to be tougher. Scrambling up is easier than scrambling down. So, wish me luck.